Alright, we got a whole big box of new parts. Got the water pump and
nice brand new distributor cap. We should do a before and after picture for that distributor cap because that is fucking gnarly.
Supposedly these are supposed to have good resistance when you turn too. Else the fins might be rusted, and this one most certainly does not. So hopefully that's the problem. Oh wow. Sit. Let me see. Oh, a U-joint.
I still have to go to AutoZone.
What is this?
That's the rotor.
Oh. Oh, usually they come with. Okay. And we got 5 spark plugs. Alright.
Yeah.
Very fancy. He doesn't care.
There's people walking through there. So.
Oh my god. Alright, so what are we going to do today? Distributor, water pump.
I also have the valve cover gasket.
Okay. It's not too essential. Oh wow, look at that. It's not too essential. I think we should just get it running.
Oh yeah. I want to replace those gaskets later. I want to clean the fuck out of this thing.
We have oil. Jeep is basically a Lambo. We have a power sunroof. Look at that. You don't even see that kind of quality on new Cadillacs. I mean, wow. I just got my arm stuck on the. It's pretty nice, really. It's got a good old sealed beam conversion to the standard 9003 bulbs, and we'll replace those with some LEDs. Oh wow, the bumper is back on.
Huh?
The bumper is back on the front. Yep. Wow. If anyone can tell us what this is, we'd love to know. We have no idea. It's kind of, I mean, is it supposed to be bolted onto something? Because this one sure isn't. And it's not going to be there much longer. We should zip tie it in. Yeah. Huh. Alright, well.
Here we go. Just stick it right up into the bumper.
Yeah, zip tie it in. Alright, well, I can get going on the water pump.
Okay.
Alright. Well, he's going to head over to AutoZone and replace a U-joint in the rear drive line. Thunder and I are going to stay here and pull the water pump. So, which I don't know how to do, so we'll see. Well, I got the pump loose. There it is. The bad news is that there doesn't appear to be anything wrong with the fins, really, unless maybe they're kind of bent. I don't know. Hopefully they're bent, some shit like that. But oh my god, that is disgusting. I drained most of the coolant out, almost all of it. I managed to get into this little cup here, so that's pretty good. I'm gonna grab all the parts and throw them in my truck. We just got a distress call from Aiden over at AutoZone. Need some help pulling the U-joint, so we're gonna zip over there real quick. So he went over there with the idea of using like a ball joint press to extract the U-joint, and apparently it's not coming out. So we're gonna zip over there real quick and give him a hand. There she blows. All right, you stay here. You stay here.
Pressed all the way out one side. Now what do I do?
It's pretty cool that they just let them use these. Let you use these. Alright, well, you got it. That was pretty fun. Aiden's wearing gloves.
Yeah, I don't like to hold my phone like that.
Yeah, my hands were already black, so I don't care. Yep. Made quite a mess when I was in.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, sorry, we got the new one too.
Yeah.
Alright. Part 2 of the professional U-joint install. We're professionals. Alright, we got it in. Be fancy. We actually put these clips in with a little keychain Leatherman. Yep. It worked.
Just gonna.
Oh, but why don't you put it in your bed? What could happen? What could possibly go wrong? What could possibly go wrong? All right. All right.
This fucking piece of shit back.
Why don't you work on the drive lines and I will finish the water pump. You want to see the water pump?
Yeah, sure.
I got it off. There it is.
Oh boy. Looks pretty fucking yoink.
Your coolant is like crunchy.
Yeah, I believe it.
Yeah. Yeah, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop the upper radiator hose off and do a coolant flush with some water in a gallon bucket, you know, and hopefully that'll keep it from overheating. We'll see. Now you see, we are in fact trained professionals. Aiden works at a dealership where he does coolant flushes every day. I learned everything I know from him. What you do if you need to flush your coolant and you don't have a hose, just
Fucking mint, buddy.
it's just that easy. You don't need a fancy shopping machine. All you need is half a brain and a gallon of water. So what's going on?
I think this one might be too.
Nice.
Fuck
Just put it back in, you know? It's good. We have 5 studs on the transfer case, so newly flushed radiator. Just put it back in. So this is this guy's 6th lap of driving around the block and staring at us. He's got a headlight out. We're not sure what he's doing. It's pretty strange, honestly. Now he's just stopped. We're very confused as to what he's doing.
Huh?
I was just telling all the peeps that we're very confused about what he's doing.
Yeah, he stopped. He was looking up into that backyard over there, and he didn't even realize I was looking at him. And when he realized I was looking at him, he sped off.
I saw that. I guess he was looking off in the yard. Maybe it's nothing to do with us, but why doesn't he just like stop? Yeah. It's time for a new one. The rotor was bad. We had to sand this contact point off to get it to even fire when we first looked at it. It needed a new cap. In other news, the water pump is back on. I'm just putting the power steering bracket back on. And we got to put the serpentine belt back on, filled up with coolant, and I shouldn't have put that hose on. Oh well, filled up with coolant and do a test start. Yeah, that'll be pretty cool. We got everything buttoned back together. Just exactly how it was. and we did our coolant flush, and we put the radiator and all the hoses and the water pump back together. Now we're just trying to jump start it with the old Dodge. I think that's probably good. See what happens. Come on, old Jeep. Oh yeah. She's alive. Woo! Alright, let's do it again. Come on, Jeep.
Oh fuck, that cable is also still hanging down.
Oh yeah? Yeah, it is.
That one for the transfer case.
We don't need that. Good to go? Alright. Hold up. All right, go. All right, take two. Come on, Jeep. Come on, old Jeep. Just a second, I can give the truck a little send. Woo! Mint. All right, let's see if it moves. Woo! Movement. What are you trying to do?
Reverse and it won't go.
Oh God. Shit.
Look and see if the drive lines are moving.
We'd know if they're moving.
Fuck.
Put it in neutral. Leave it for a second. Alright, try drive. Alright, try reverse again. Have we ever tried to back it up?
I don't know. I don't remember.
Well, not only does it not move, but it's still overheating. We've determined that this fan isn't spinning, so that's something to go off of.
Coolant in it could just be so shitty that it has no cooling properties anymore.
It could, but this fan should be spinning, and it was not as it was idling there. So that is definitely a problem. Also, we don't know what that is or where it goes. I think it's like the old version of that electronic positioning sensor that's in the transfer case back here, and we're wondering if maybe the transfer case is not engaging the output shaft on the transmission. That's our best theory right now. Huh. Rip. Rio.
Recollect his toy. It was so slimy it slid out of my hand.
Sit, Rio, sit.